Hmm. We back now, guys. Crazy. Yo, activist, bro. Like you the first today, bro. Oh, my boy, activist. Okay. All right, let's throw this on the Discord, man. Yeah, yeah, man. Of course. We're starting this. You guys know it's anytime, bro. Don't put no time to it. We're not gonna put no time to it. So as long as I'm not live, don't worry about the time, my boy. Yup. Yeah, man. We gotta finish the payment provider for yesterday, and then today I gotta finish something as well, cause it's due tonight. They actually need it tonight. It's an app. It's a Flutter app for like sharing. Is it receipt sharing? Like let's say today you're cooking like pizza, and then you gotta share the receipt to somebody else. So yeah, that's the app we're gonna build today. It's using Flutter, so we're gonna build it together. They actually want it. Yeah, the teacher needs it, so we shall have to finish it. Um, Let me send this. Yo, works more rather than days, like every day sleeps nearly. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna throw this. I'm gonna say we're live now, boys. Uh huh. Let's just throw this link. Paste this link to the squad. All right, that should do it. I think that should be enough. Anyways, Activist, my boy, how are you doing, bro? How are you doing? Bro, before you start building, tell me why I can learn JavaScript completely for free. YouTube. YouTube, bro. Literally, just go to YouTube and you can learn JavaScript for free. But I have other ways, that I only show my people. You feel me? My squad. So just because you're one of my people, I'm going to show you because we're gatekeeping it, man. We're gatekeeping it. Okay. It's called the Scrimba. I think I always show it in every live, man. All right, so we have that one Scrimba, and then there is something called the Odin project. The Odin project. It's a famous project. It's actually free. It's actually free. So you can start with like full stack JavaScript. As you can see, this one is gonna focus on JavaScript. So yeah, just click explore and then jump to JavaScript. If you're looking for JavaScript, I assume you already know HTML and CSS. Yeah, so as you can see, there are 31 lessons. It doesn't mean you have to do every single lesson on here. Just do to the point where you feel like, okay, I've had enough. After that, you can jump to React. And then if you want to go to like full stack route, bro, in this day and age, right? This market that we're in now, being mediocre is the last thing you want to be. Like knowing only front end is not going to help. So obviously you need like the back end knowledge as well. So you need Node.js, and after that you can also try to understand, or maybe get the advice from here how to get hired. So yeah, I think those are the two sites I'd recommend, man. The two sides, yeah, because first this Scrimba is very interactive. I feel like Scrimba is for people that like hands-on stuff, like exercises and stuff. Like a person like me, I'm that type. I like to do things like exercises related. That's the best way I learn. So, bro, what about the project I shared last night? What, you shared something? You shared something on Discord? I don't know. What? Where did you send this stuff? I'm confused. I didn't see anything you shared. Or maybe I don't remember though. I think I just don't remember. Oh, I just don't remember. Oh my god. So we're gonna have to put this on like auto brightness, and then we're gonna put it on true tone. I don't know how it's going to appear on screen, but let's see. Give me a new project like you have. Oh, wait. I think you did it right. If you're talking about the one on Discord, I saw it really. I saw it and it looks good. I saw it. It looks good, man. You're going crazy, my boy. All right, let me see. Hey, thanks for finishing that work, man. Okay. Yeah. Have you included like the authentication? Have you tried including the authentication? So here's all you told me to do. All right, let me check it. Yo, it looks good. Let me hope you didn't use any cursor, bro. Let me hope you didn't use any AI. It actually looks good, bro. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Bro, you guys, man, what's funny is you guys are not even noticing that this, like, we just like going crazy at a rapid pace, man. Can you give me a project idea that will teach me JavaScript along the way and advanced HTML and CSS too? All right, I'll give you a simple project like that would make your JavaScript skills to grow. All right. So that simple project will be. Let me just open this Scarlet Draw real quick. I'm gonna put you on game. No, I did all that by myself. Just as ChatGPT had to center inside a div due to my. Oh, okay. No problem. No problem. You don't have to like limit yourself to only using your brain. All right, so here's the thing, my brother. This is a project you gotta build. All right, do this. So you're gonna have to build something that looks like this, and then we're gonna have an input here, just with HTML, CSS, and then you're gonna have a low button here. You're gonna have a low button here. Now, this here will be. Let me see. We're just gonna have something here inside this button. This button should be something like this add. All right, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna make this an input, right? So let me just say text and then input. Let's just say input goes here. All right, so I don't know how we're gonna increase the size. I think we can just say X large. All right, not bad. So your input will go here. All right, just say input goes here. Now whatever people type here, right, it should appear here as well. It should appear here as well. Just make it so that it appears here. Whatever people type, let it appear there. And then you repeat the concept like this. Let's say they type like 20 times. So type here something like, hey, hello, how are you? Then they press add, it should appear here. Hey, how are you? They press add, it should appear there. And then the next thing is we gotta shorten this a little bit. Okay. I'm giving you a project that will literally sharpen your skill in JavaScript and HTML, CSS. All right, so you're gonna have something like this. Let me just move this a little bit. All right, I assume these are all like the inputs and stuff. Hey, bro, can I see your portfolio? Is it on Discord? If it's not, then please send me the link if you have if you have it hosted. All right, I'm gonna show you in a second. It's not even complete yet. Yeah, like a to-do list. Okay, somebody saying it's easy, no problem. Like this one, it teaches you the core concepts of what all applications are made up of. And then you're gonna have a negative, a minus thing here. So this minus, once you click it, it should delete everything that you have there. All right. So that's the concept, just like a to-do list. And then after that you're gonna have a low button here that is just once you click it, right, it will delete everything. So you're gonna have, once you click here, wait, once you click there, it should erase everything. Let's call this erase everything. Now you're gonna have this, you're gonna have to, you guys, matter of fact, if you guys want to attempt it, all of you guys can do it. So just make sure that it looks like this. All right, I want the background to be dark and then it should look just something like this, but try to make it cleaner than this UI. This is just a mock-up, like for you guys to get the idea of what I'm talking about. So after you finish this, bro, I promise you, you'll be insane when it comes to like that. And then make it so that when you refresh this, right, the information here doesn't go away. So you can, there are two ways you can attempt that. You can either use local storage, right? Local storage, which is inside the browser, or you can use a database to sustain the data. So that means you will be introduced to now using external databases. So that will depend on you. If your skill level can allow you to include the database, include it. If your skill level will only stop at the point where Yeah, if your skill level will only be at the point where you're just gonna sustain the data with just local storage, do that as well. So I feel like that's enough. That's enough assignment for you guys. And you guys gotta send me all the proof that you did it by yourself on Discord. Don't do it with AI. Challenge yourself, bro. Don't even ask AI. Matter of fact, I'm not telling you this time to use AI. Just do it by yourself and send me the screenshots on Discord. Yeah, that should be, and you guys should give yourself a time constraint. Like, say I'm gonna do this stuff in like less than 1 hour. If this simple concept takes you more than an hour, then you don't know JavaScript like that. Yeah, that's what I can tell you because it's too simple. You can do it in minutes. So if it takes you more than an hour, you have a problem. Can we use our notes here? No problem. Use your notes. Just don't use ChatGPT, my boy. Don't use ChatGPT. I don't understand. Complete before sleep. Now I'm doing workout. No proper things on my GitHub. Bro, this how I know you guys are not following me on GitHub, because bro, everybody that's following me on GitHub knows my portfolio is on GitHub. You can see my portfolio is here on GitHub, my boy. If you just took your time, you would find it. Can we use our notes? Yeah, you can use your notes, my boy. Don't feel held back, alright? Just use your notes, but then use ChatGPT. I think that makes sense, right? Yeah, the only time you would like to research on something is if there's something that's stressing you. Like for example, say how do I sustain the data on local storage? I don't expect you to memorize anything, but you can do your research. But just don't copy and paste, all right? All right. So I think that should be it, my boy. Yeah, so let me click on this for a second. I think you already know where to find the portfolio, my brother. It's there. You can get it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So, do we have to link the Discord today? No. We don't have to link the Discord because you guys already know the Discord, right? So, I think the stuff that we gotta link is this Twitch. Let me go to Twitch. I think Twitch is, yeah, we're gonna start streaming on Twitch. So, I'm gonna say Twitch is gonna be Prod Filthy. Alright, it should be something like this. Yep. .tv/filthy. Ooh, 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 ooh. All right, so you guys should check out the Twitch, man. You guys should check out the Twitch, my boys. Because we're going crazy, man. You feel me? We're going crazy. We're going to start streaming on Twitch nonstop. All right, let's see. I'm going to close this. So once you guys finish this, I'm going to check it out, okay? Are we together on that? All right, man. That should do it for the work that you guys have to do. Yep. So today we're still finishing what we are literally doing, right? So hold on. I think there's something. All right, let me complete this. What's this authentication I want to use? Basic bearer or JWT in this. I think we should watch this video together, boys. Let me subscribe. I literally like what this guy is talking about. So I'm gonna mute my mic and we're gonna have to watch this video a little bit.
System can authorize or restrict anything. Before a system can authorize or restrict anything, it first needs to know the Before a system can authorize or restrict anything, it first needs to know the identity of the requester. That's what authentication does. It verifies that the person or system trying to access your app is legit. And in this video, you'll learn how modern applications handle authentication, from basic to bearer tokens to OAuth2 authentication and GVT tokens, as well as access and refresh tokens, and also single sign-on and identity protocols. Before learning the different types, let's first understand what is authentication. Authentication basically answers who the user is and if they are allowed to access your system. So whenever a login request is sent, either by the user or another service, this is where we confirm the identity of the user and either provide them access, so approve their request, or reject it with unauthorized request. This is basically the first step before authorization begins, which is the topic of the next lesson. So before you access any data or perform any actions on this service, the system needs to know who you are, and this is where the authentication is used. The first and simplest type of authentication is basic authentication. This is where you use username and password in combination, and you send a login request which contains the base64 encoded version of username and password. This is a very simple way of encoding data, and it's easily reversible. And because it's easily reversible, it's now considered insecure unless it's wrapped within HTTPS. But even with that, it is now very rarely used outside of the internal tools in the company. Next, we have bearer tokens, which are...
Yo, my boy, Abhinav is good, man. How you doing, bro? Let me hope you're fine. We're just trying to watch a video real quick because it's something about authentication. We already have authentication in place, but I just want to understand, like, there's something about this JWT that I want to understand, I guess. But we're not really gonna sit through this entire 6 minutes worth of video. Um, I think I'm just gonna watch it after. I think I'm gonna watch it after. But we have some work for school that I wanna get done with because it's due today. They want it in the evening. They want it before 10 p.m. I mean before 11 p.m. I know I still have time, but I just wanna get it done with. It's a receipt sharing app with Flutter, right? I don't know any idea. I don't have any idea of Flutter, but yeah, I don't mind doing it with you guys. So, I think for the design, we're not really gonna do it like that because what are the screens? They need authentication screen. They need the home screen. They need the receipt page. They need the receipt detail, and then the profile. I think these are simple stuff that we can get done with real quick, right? On Figma, but it is what it is. I think we can even just use Lovable to get this for us instead of having to do it by ourselves. So if we can just go to Lovable and we throw it these I think the pages that we want, like these screens, we can just do this, right? I think Lovable is gonna get it done for us real quick. I don't know. Let's see, Lovable. Yeah, bro. That is the best use case for AI, man. For schoolwork, bro. I'm not gonna sit here and do schoolwork, bro. Literally. Yeah, for mobile, like the designs, clean and sleek. Okay, I don't know if this is the correct spelling for slick. Let's just use that. What's good, man? How you doing, bro? As you can see, bro, like we're going crazy every single day, man. I don't know. I just can't thank you guys enough. It's like every day I say thank you to the point where my head hurts. So yeah, I'm not gonna say it too much, man. You guys know. You guys already know. So let's see. Clean. What's going on here? We need an. I can see you want to create a receipt sharing app with clean and sleek mobile designs. This what invokes modern food apps like Yumly. All this is an Instagram food focused interface, clean, image driven, and intuitive. For this first version, I will implement clean modern recipe feed with beautiful cart layouts, recipe detail views. Bro, you seriously join will you seriously join my project? I will join your project. Which project are you building? What are you working on? Yo, what's up? Somebody sent me something from my portfolio. You sent me an email. What's up, bro? You sent me direct from my email. I just received it now. What's good? What's good, my brother? How are you doing? All right. Let's see. All right. Why is Lovable taking forever? Hey, bro. I want to show you my portfolio. Please look and give me some suggestion. Oh yeah, it's you, bro. Yeah, you guys shouldn't spam the messages on the portfolio because it's using real money. I don't want to spend a lot of money on that stuff. So you guys know what's up, man. You guys know the drill, man. How much time will it take to learn React and Next.js? Okay, if you start today, I would say a month. Share it, we all see. Share what? Share what, my brother? How can you see my portfolio? I told you, and this is why I be saying you guys are not on my Discord. Like literally, you guys didn't join the Discord. Because if you join the Discord, then you wouldn't ask me that question. I would be seeing it right now. So drop it on the Discord. Every single thing you guys want me to see, just drop it on the Discord, man. Drop it on the Discord. I'm gonna check it out, my boy. So yeah, if you're asking where, the Discord is the answer. Oh, hey, when can I share my project idea with you privately? Anytime, just DM me on Discord, I guess. I'm highly active on Discord. I would tell you guys to follow my Instagram, but I don't use the current Instagram. Do you upload anywhere your portfolio? Yeah, my portfolio is on Vassal. If you wondering where I hosted it, because it's live. But at the given time, it's not really having live projects like that. I see your portfolio on GitHub. Yeah, for sure, it's on GitHub, man. You guys, matter of fact, y'all gotta follow me on GitHub. Follow me on GitHub real quick. Yeah, I'm seeing you guys just followed right now. I'm just seeing 6 new followers on GitHub. You guys gotta follow the GitHub, and then yeah, we'll find it here. I think portfolio. Yeah, this is where the portfolio is at. All right, so yeah, you guys can see everything there. So let's see, man. Why is Lovable taking forever to come up with a fucking mobile design, man? This is crazy, actually. Ooh, let's see. God, Instagram's clean layout and visuals. No more style or change on portfolio is the final. Only functionality is missing for. No. There's a lot I'm going to change about my portfolio for real. First of all, I don't like the way it's just very static. It's too static for my liking. I can't even lie to you guys. Matter of fact, let me check my Vassal, bro, because I don't want to get charged because you guys have been spamming my shit of recent. So let me hopefully think we are not going above and beyond when it comes to expenses. So let me go to analytics. Let me see. Okay, so we've had 49, almost 50 page views, and the bounce rate has been 74, which is something I don't know about. What is bounce rate? I don't understand it. So yeah, you got 37 from Rwanda, 34% of you guys from India, and then 9% from the US, Serbia, Austria. All right, most of you guys are using Windows, and then 26 using Mac and Android and iOS. All right, not bad, bro. When you start all this stuff like learning from zero, 4 months ago, I started learning 4 months ago. Yeah, I have 4 months of experience, my boy. I use Linux. Okay, that's interesting. Linux is wonderful, man. I think with in year one, that's when we started using Linux, but I couldn't keep up with everything, bro. Linux is it has like a learning curve, right? But once you learn it, just know you're gonna have a good time. So yeah, you guys just follow up on GitHub here, man. You feel me? Because when we start applying for jobs, this is what the employers get to see. It's like, oh wow, this person is actually active on GitHub. You feel what I'm saying? You feel what I'm saying? Alright, we have a little error. The app encountered an error. What? Build unsuccessful. Okay, what's the error? Try to fix it. Oh god. What's the issue, bro? We were waiting all this long just to see errors. What? What's the issue? I can see icon doesn't exist in Lucid React. Okay. I'll give 8 hours a day. What do you think where I'll be in 5 months? Oh my god, you'll be better than me, bro. Because if you give 8 hours a day, you'll be better than me. Me, I used to put in 4 hours and I managed to learn a lot in 4 months. So I'd say 8 hours is crazy because most of my videos, if you can watch, we just started like 30 days ago going live. That's the most hours I've put in like coding stuff, especially videos. Like you get it because it's a lot involved. Payment plus integration, coding every day till I get a job. Day 31. Yeah, that's our that's our title, man. How did you know it? Oh, you saw it, okay. Yeah, so it's day 31 today, which is interesting. You get news up, bro. Yeah, for sure, man. Thanks a lot, man. Thanks. It means the world to me, my boy. Because we're growing every single day. Like, it's crazy because when I ended the stream yesterday, bro. Hold on. I ended the stream yesterday at like 4. We ended the stream at 4, I think 4 what? 4:20. I mean 4:11, I think. We ended the stream at 4:11. Now, when I slept, I woke up and it was like 4:22 now. So it's crazy. Please give me your GitHub. I think you guys, my GitHub is there. If you scroll a little bit, you'll find it. Or you can just type prog filthy, I guess. Let me see it in a second. I think these guys introduced a new update that I don't know about. All right, this is my GitHub, my boy. So, um, have you joined the Discord? Have you joined the Discord? If you did, then you would see it there. All right, so let me see this for a second. Now let me close this off. All right, let me see. I think you guys can see my GitHub. It's just up here. All right, say github.com/progfilthy. Just type this progfilthy. You find my GitHub there. Yeah. So yeah, I appreciate you, my boy, for tapping in. What's going on here? Well, I think we have errors still. Okay. Oh yeah. So we. Oh wow, wow, wow. I kind of like this though. I'm not gonna lie. I put that on everything. I kind of like this. So we have the register. Let's say this. Let's just put anything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's try to sign in. Ooh, this is nuts, dog. Ah, this is crazy. Demo user. Ooh, hoo, hoo. How we gonna build this, dog? How we gonna build this? I think this recipe stuff, it literally needs let me see. The setting thing. So how we gonna use this for mobile? I don't know how we're gonna use this for mobile though. I'm kind of confused. But what do you guys think, bro? You think it's legit? You guys think this is legit? What's your age, man? I'm 24 years, bro. He started too. Nah, stop lying, dog. What the fuck? Wait, man, let me see this dude, man. Yo, 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 yo. Stop lying on my name, bro. I'm not 32, bro. I'm not. I'm 24 years old, bro. You think I'm unk? I'm not unk yet. I'm still young, bro. 24 years old. I'm still young. Yep. What the fuck? How do I look 32? What the fuck is going on with you guys? Hold on, you guys have some eye problem? You guys have some eye problem? I don't look 42. God damn. I don't look 32, bro. I'm 24 years old, bro. Unless you have some eye issues, I can get you some specs and shit. All right, let's try it. No, but I think you look like a 25 years old. Ooh. All right, man. Next year I'll be 25. So that's not bad. It's not far from the truth, though. Yeah, so let's see cream. All right. Oh, so how does it like have everything here? Every single fucking thing is here already. So what? How we gonna get this? Sync your project in GitHub? Nope. Actually, how do you guys see the code, man? How do you guys see the code? So this stuff is actually like not live though. I don't know how it's doing this, but all I wanted was just the visuals. Like I wanted the screens. Mm. Because of your eye, you look like a drunk unk. Yo, I'm 16. Is web dev full stack development? Is it good for me? Yeah, web dev is dope for you, my boy. Oh, my brother Pro Khan, man. Welcome back to the stream, my boy. What's up, man? Yeah, you delayed a little bit. You gotta come and discipline these guys who are saying I'm 32 years old in the comments, bro. You gotta come and defend me, my brother. Alright, somebody is saying, I'm also 25. Oh, that's good. If you're 25, yes, it's good. So this dude is it? What's his name? Mitun, Mitun Barathi. This dude has the worst name in the whole group, bro. All right, let's see. Somebody said he's 16 years old. Is web develop, bro? Web development will be here even in 2050. Web development will still be here, and you will still be the one doing that job. So yeah, I would say yes, web dev is still gonna be good for you, my boy. Yeah. So, okay. Somebody said I'm 14 and C++ game dev. Ooh, bro. Wait a minute, bro. Are you guys from India? Cause here I have a simple question for you guys, right? How am I seeing people 14 years old, people 16 years old, people like literally below 18 and already doing C++? Like, how are they teaching you guys? Because for me, I didn't even know C++ existed when I was 18, let alone 16. I swear to God. I only knew about C++ when I joined the university, literally. And I think I was like 22. Yeah, 22 or maybe, yeah, I think I was 22 when I started my first year. So that's crazy how you guys already know a lot at 16 years old, man. I think the world has changed completely. It's crazy. It's because we dream big. Yeah, for sure, man. You guys dream big, man. I respect that for sure. You see people with ridiculous goals like me, which is most likely being a CEO. They do shit like this, bro. Oh my god. I've always been curious about everything. How everything is made. How are you curious at 14 years old, bro? Like what thought process goes into your brain to just say, okay, I'm going to like fucking try this hard? Like, how do you just think about that? Because 14 years old, you thinking about BS, like playing games all day, maybe fucking stressing your parents. Nah. You guys are built different, bro. And somebody already at 14 years old is thinking about being a CEO, bro. What the fuck? Damn. I wish I was like you guys, bro. Alright, we can even add a recipe. Oh my god, they got full drag and drop. Like what? Where's the work of the engineer now? So now here's the thing. Can we design this and change it into Swift and just give it to like this stuff and change it into Swift because we can spin this up real quick in Next.js and then just be smart. You get it? We just drop this and tell AI to change every single code into fucking Flutter code, and it's gonna be a mobile app. I think that's a good idea. I don't know about you guys. All right, let me see. Let me try to inspect it. Right, let me see how it's gonna. Hold on. Let me see. What's this? Okay, bro, it's already live. Jesus Christ! How is this, bro? What's going on with Lovable? How do they already have this? I think we can just give this. We can take the screenshot of this login page, right? And then yeah, instead of us designing it from scratch, yes, sir. You guys know what's up, man. I'm just gonna take this and I'm just gonna open Figma, right? I'm just gonna open Figma and then hopefully just drop this. Um, Proxy, are you Indian? I think he's Indian for sure. I think he's Indian. Somebody said you're 14, my boy. Same here, but like I only started learning Python 2 months ago. Don't spam, bro. Yeah, who's spamming, bro? Who's spamming? If somebody's spamming, we gotta ban him because we're not gonna accept people spamming our shit. You feel me? Yeah, we're strict, my boy. Somebody said I thought of learning Flutter, but I liked React. Yeah, just stick with React. Especially React Native, man. Don't go for Flutter. Flutter is too confusing, bro. I don't even like it, bro. Let alone like anything else. I don't like it personally, man. I'm just doing it for college, man, so I can get it over with. And good enough. Today was the actual last day for me at school at the uni, but we're gonna have exams on Wednesday, and then after that the exam on Wednesday, we're gonna have the final exam on 23rd. So yeah, I'm not really stressed, bro. I'm not really stressed. I think we're gonna have to just deal with that for now. So let's see what's going on. We're not gonna design this stuff, bro, from scratch. Trust me. Um, I'm from the south. Wait, do you guys have south? I'm confused. Indian, hey, Praxi, I think you don't know Hindi. Same here. I'm from South India. Oh wait. I think the people from South India they look like me. I think they're dark skinned. I don't know if I'm mistaken. Yeah, I'm not racist though, because I'm a black person. Can black people be racist? Hey man, have you done college? Yeah, today is literally my last day in college, my boys. Not the last day for me to go because we have exams on Wednesday. So today is gonna be my last day having to deal with the BS of college, man. All right, so yeah. From now on, my boys, we're gonna go crazy. We're gonna go crazy. From now on, we're just gonna be building apps, doing crazy stuff. All right, so let's let layout grid. We gotta put this on column. Put this on like, I think 5 is good, and margin can be like 50. Oh my god, that's too much margin. And what the fuck? The gutter is like what, 30? Can we do 30? I think this 50 is too much, right? We can keep it 30, 30. I think that should be enough. Yeah, that should be enough. Somebody said, "Oh, dang, congrats, man. Thanks a lot, man." Not last day in college though. My last day in year 2 of college. I think I'm not being vigilant enough. All right. So today is my last day of year 2 in college. So on Wednesday I'm going for my final exams, and then hopefully we pass. All right, but not hopefully, we're gonna pass it anyways. We're gonna pass. That's obvious. And then the next Wednesday we're gonna do the final exam, which is just one paper that day. So it's gonna be not even papers, building an app with Flutter, yeah, and then connecting it with Firebase. Then that's it. We say bye bye to year 2, my boys, and then October October 1st we're gonna start year 3. So that's the timeline for you, my boys. All right. What are you guys saying? I want to keep up with you guys' comments, man. Man, these young people like me, what are your goals and dreams? Proxy, your Tamil. What's Tamil, bro? This dude is literally 15, man. Use GitHub to deploy your project. Yeah, yeah. No, no, no. I don't use GitHub to deploy my projects. Front end I use Vercel, and back end I want to start using Railway or Render, one of the two. Oh, bro, another thing I want to let you guys know is we've downloaded this. Yes, sir. We are now grown-ups, man. We've downloaded Docker. So we're gonna start dockerizing or containerizing our applications before, spinning them or putting them out there. So bro, what is it? I'll show you in a second. Don't worry about all this stuff that's going on here. What? Bro, am I the youngest here? I'm 14. Bro, I'm actually 12. Will programming work for me? Yo, what the fuck? How are you guys 12 and 14 and all this stuff? What's going on with you guys? I'm confused, bro. It's like I don't know. Hold on. Use recommended settings, require password. Okay. So I think now we have Docker is spun up. Let me just close this. Allow Docker. We can actually log in with our GitHub, right? Yup. Authorize this. So what's going on? Background item added. Okay. All right. Not bad. What? Create your username. All right. Let's just say prog filthy. That's always our username. Send me occasional project updates. Not bad. Product updates. Yo, filthy, go work on your code, my boy. Lock in. All right, no problem, no problem. I like the fact that you guys are like getting to know each other in the comments, and like that means the world to me. Y'all gotta show love to each other, man. This community will spread love only, not hate. Bro, your real name. Alright, my real name is Emmanuel Francis. Emmanuel Francis. I don't know why my parents decided to just say they want to use both Christian names, but it is what it is. So, yeah, my name is Emmanuel Francis. Emmanuel. I think you guys all know the meaning of Emmanuel, right? It's Emmanuel is a name with Hebrew origins, meaning God is with us. Oh shit, I have a good name, bro. Yeah, God is with us. That's the meaning of my name. All right. And then my dad's name. Let me see if there's a meaning for it. Anyways, Francis. I think there's a meaning for it though, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, Francis is a masculine given name with origins in the late France, whatever. Yeah, that's my dad's name. So yeah, come to Kashmir. What? All the young people in the chat, as I said, what are your dreams and goals? Yeah, you guys gotta answer my boy, man. You guys stop ignoring my brother, man. Procan, that's my boy right there. You guys gotta answer him, bro. Please, I wanna join. What are you guys building, bro? What are you guys building and you guys are leaving me out of it? That's so sad, man. Okay, that's too sad of you guys, man. All right, we're not gonna design this one because the school they want me to do the design really, but I don't know, man. Kashmir is a very beautiful place. Wait, Kashmir is it in India? I don't know because that name sounds so too Indian. I'm just gonna say 0927, all right, something like that. Sign me in. All right, so I think it's not bad. So can we put it on screen? Can we just put it like how it's gonna look on iOS? Wait, bro, there's an extension, right, that used to literally. Let me see. I think I'm not confused. I think it's this one. It's called Mobile First. All right. Let me just install that extension. I'm just gonna say Mobile First extension. All right. Hopefully, I think it's this one. Hopefully, it's this. I don't know. I'm just okay. Let's just install this. Ooh, add to Chrome, add extensions. Okay. Bro, how do they make extensions, bro? Quick install. What? Bro, what? Look for this program. I think it's here, right? Alright, I think it's this one. We're not gonna waste time with all this stuff. Right. Wait, this is the one. Okay, so let's go to extension. Let's pin this and then let's click this. So let's see, let's try it on mobile. Let's see how it looks. What's this password? Alright, man. We're just gonna save it. So let's just click. Let's open that. Yo, bro, the stuff is highly responsive and it's just so mobile friendly, my boys. So that means we can. Somebody said, bro, I only know HTML. Said, bro, Filthy is also joining our project. Yeah, I'm also joining the project. You guys should include me, bro. Um, I'm not qualified. You should start reacting next year. I want to join. It's amazing. What do you mean by you're qualified for the project? Okay, you guys should include me, man. You guys shouldn't leave me out. Okay, as I can see, there's some inconsistencies here, but I think they've tried their best. So let's try this profile thing. All right, it's not bad actually. It actually looks good. But the fucking how do I log out this user? All right, that's something we're gonna have to, we're gonna have to figure out. So let's close this out for now. That's gonna be that, and then let's just log in with this. So now the login page is complete. I think we just gotta now screenshot this, and this is what we are going to feed into Casa, right? To just develop for us this application and turn it into mobile with Flutter. All right, so I think that's gonna be it. Let's just drop this here. All right. Yep. Man, we're gonna vibe code the school project. I don't have time to do it like manually. I have other projects to worry about. I don't have time for school stuff, man. UI UX is very easy. Future of front end dev. Do both designing and programming. For sure, for sure. I have ideas in both of them. Bro, Filthy, are you in our project? Actually, you're the second member after me. Why you putting me after you, my boy? That's disrespect. How you put your papa how you put yourself before your papa? No homo, bro. All right, let's say classic. We got classic chocolate chip. Okay, that's already in place. What else? Mediterranean. All right, so I think the such thing is working perfectly. So everything seems to be working really, and I think that's the stuff we're gonna send to our GitHub. So what I'm gonna do now, we're gonna take all the screenshots, right? Let me see. So no receipts phone, add the receipt first. All right. We're gonna take all these screenshots and we're gonna feed it into Lovable. I mean not Lovable, into our AI, which is Casa. And it's gonna get everything done for us. Interesting. So this is the first screen, this is second screen, this is third screen when there's nothing. And then I think that should be it. So boom. Now the next thing is the user profile, right? We're just gonna do that. I'm just gonna capture everything here. Boom, just everything that's here and then dump it on here. All right. So I think I have everything that I need though. We gotta work smart, not hard. You feel me, my boys? All right, that's about it right now. Somebody said what? I also want to be in your yo. Stop spamming. Who's spamming, bro? Somebody should stop spamming for real. Qualification is just React to Next.js with at least 5 projects. So the spamming is like this. If you write one comment, right, it should be one comment. Don't just write 1 million comments of the same point that you're trying to make, all right? Yeah. Let me help you guys understanding the point. All right, so now let's go ahead and build this stuff step by step, right? So now here's the thing that I'm going to do. Instead of us vibe coding everything, right? Because at the end of the day we're trying to learn Flutter as well, but me, I'm not really going to use Flutter as my main language. I want to be using React Native, but for today we can just use Flutter to design this homepage first. I mean, to code this homepage first, and everything is going to be persisted with database. So yeah, and after that we're going to send it to school, and that's going to be it for the schoolwork. Then we can start doing our personal projects. 3 to 5 months. So after 5 months, I'll join you guys. No, what you mean, bro? You don't have to. Man, you guys shouldn't leave this dude out, man. Even if he doesn't know a lot right now, he's still going to learn at least something. So include everybody, bro. Yeah, I shouldn't just cut off some people. Mm. So this is what has been given by the school, right? The school wants us to. Can we change this to fucking light mode? Because this is too dark for my liking. Anyways, the school wants flat of Firebase receipt sharing up, and as an assignment, they want us to have user authentication, sign up, login, and log out. And then they want receipt management where we can add, view, like receipts. And then we need to have a photo upload with Firebase storage integration, real-time updates with file store streams, user profiles, view user info and their receipts, like system, like users can like and like receipts. I think these simple things we can begin by putting these ones together. I mean this first one, and then we can put the rest together. I think that makes sense, right? I'm also learning React and stuff. Little bit late. Would some like to tell me what is he working on? Alright, my bro, filthy. As I said, I'm keeping my promise. I'm gonna check tomorrow. Alright, see ya. Alright, no problem, man. No problem. Have a good one. Somebody is asking if somebody is asking what I'm working on. I'm actually finishing the schoolwork. Right, we've been given some assignment at school to build a recipe application. Right, application for sharing recipes. So let's say you're building, I mean, you're working on classic chocolate chip, then this is what happens, right? You're gonna have this with all instructions and stuff. I think we can use AI for this though. I'm not really gonna waste time writing all this stuff. So yeah, I think the recipes is here, then people can view it. It's actually supposed to be a mobile application. I don't know why just Lovable decided to make it a web application. I don't know, but it is what it is. We want to first get this application working, like this homepage working, then we can see what next. Send me your Discord, Abhinav. Here to see your coding journey. Where are you now? I'm actually very far as skill level is concerned because I've learned a lot. But Flutter, as far as Flutter or mobile development, I have no skills at all. So I'm just trying to learn everything from scratch. All right. Oof. So what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna drop these screenshots. Give me a second, you guys. So I'm gonna go to desktop, where screenshots, and then what we're gonna select these. I think this is it, right? Which other screen again? All right, I don't know. I don't know if there's any other screen we have to worry about. Oh my god. All right, let's first drop this. Let's drop this screen. Let's see, this is going to be our login screen. Now I want Flutter to give us like the backbone for everything, and then we can start from there. This fantastic clean and modern login and log and register a screen designed perfect for your recipe app. Let's break down how to implement this in Flutter and connect it to Firebase. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to get like the bare bone from AI, and then the rest we can try to add it by ourselves. You get what I'm saying? Yes, bro. Who's here to use AE? What's AE, bro? I mean, bro, check my projects on GitHub. I am coder. All right, I'm gonna check your projects in a minute. Give me a second. So we have this. Matter of fact, let me quit this. Let me quit this. Okay, I've just quit this Docker. Oh, okay. Let's see. Wow. Okay, how far has this stuff gone? So now we gotta create this inside this again. Create recipe share. Okay, apply this. All right, let's apply that. So what next now? That means we gotta build this application from scratch, right? All right, let's build it from scratch. So I'm just gonna open this, which is copy that, and inside this recipe sharing thing, I'm just going to fucking create this, which is going to spin up a Flutter application from scratch, and then we shall have to do it. Okay, somebody said, send your Discord channel, bro. Amount of streaming. Congratulations for your dedication. Oh, thanks a lot, my boy. Thanks a lot, man. Hold on, what's going on here? In order to this, a new version of Flutter is update or to update the Flutter upgrade. All right, I think that's gonna be it. So we're just gonna say Flutter upgrade. Yeah, bro, we've been streaming for what? For 30 days now. Crazy. Upgrading. So we're upgrading our Flutter, which is interesting. All right, bro. I said your boy J Pro, man. Yeah, man, J Pro. Of course, I haven't forgotten you, man. What are you saying, my boy? What are you saying? I cannot forget my brother, man. Let me show you. Let me say thank you. Look, we've spent only 30 days, but look at this. Hey, numbers don't lie. Men lie, women lie, children lie, but numbers don't lie. So I'm confused how we're gonna run this. How we gonna run what, my boy? How we gonna run what? Hey, my brother. Oh, Sohel Sheikh, what's good, my boy? Has been created using the new SDK. All right. Oh, we're still having things to do, which is good. So we're still downloading stuff, which is not bad. Because I think Flutter they just updated it, right? I guess that's why. But let's just keep downloading stuff. So as I'm talking to you guys, somebody said, oh my boy Rahul was good, man. Was good, Rahul Karki. I don't know if I spelled or I mean pronounce your name correctly. Bro, it's day 31 and I have an exam tomorrow. Last one, man. I have exams next tomorrow, which is Wednesday. So after that, we're gonna be after 23rd, right? After like on 24th going forward, we're gonna be free. So we're gonna be streaming. I don't know, bro. We shall even start streaming from morning, I guess. Somebody said, "What's your age, brother?" I guess 25. Now I'm 24, man. Yo, Rahul, correct, man. Thanks for for telling this dude. Because most people just assume I'm that old, man. I'm not this old, bro. Like, come on, man. You guys gotta cut me some slack, man. I can't be that old. I don't know how you guys think about me, bro. Yo, yo, bro. Do I look this old, bro? Let me see. Let me see. Do I look that old, bro? Nah. I don't look old, man. So you guys stop assuming. Somebody said I'm 49. What the fuck? I'm not even close to 25. You say, oh, I'm close to 25. But I'm not 40, bro. I'm not. Bro, if I'm 40, I would not be at the uni still. I'd hate to be at the uni when I'm 40, bro. What's going on here? Alright. Come on, Katie generator. Come on. I think that's it. What is it still downloading Android stuff? What's going on, bro? Somebody said, bro, am I the youngest? I'm 14. No, bro, there are dudes that are younger than you, bro. Really, do you have a Discord? What? Somebody's asking if I have a Discord. Come on, man. J Pro, are you alright? Bro, someone is saying you're 1.5. Wait, wait. How do you calculate that? Is let me open a calculator, right? So it's going to be 1.5. Let's say 1.5 times, let me see, times what? Times 10 to, bro, if it's, what the fuck? That is 10 to power of 500. Nah, bro, come on, bro. I can't be that old. Let me see. First of all, that's 15 already. This one alone is 15, bro. So, yeah, bro, I'm not that old, man. You're lying, bro. Come on. Come on, bro. I'm going to jail you, bro. Bro, I'm asking person in the stream name Dr. Activist. Oh, okay. All right. No problem. I got you, my boy. Yeah, somebody said I should check their Discord. Okay, let me check your Discord. I love to see people's Discords. I want to see what you guys are building. I'm highly committed, highly invested, highly, okay, highly intrigued. So this dude said he's called slash what slash. I want to see you guys. You guys drop your this. Yeah, I mean your GitHub. Drop your GitHub, man. Yeah, I should drop your GitHub. Let me check your GitHub. The first one I'm gonna see today is AAM Coder. All right. From his name, I guess he's been coding a lot. So, bro, why I can't find this? Hold on. What's the username? Coder. For some reason, I can't see this. So I think it's inside the repos. I don't know. Okay, let's just type it here. For some reason, I just can't see it. Your search did not match. Whatever. We don't even have anything. So if we can go to code, I am coder. Bro, for some reason, I just can't seem to find anybody called coder. So stop lying, bro. Stop. Please tell me, bro. I'll tell mine is JPro. Alright, yours is JPro. Let me see. Inside this search prompts, we gotta look for JPro. Alright, let's see JPro, my brother. That's my boy JPro. Hopefully we find yours. What? There's J project. There's one. Okay, the user's called JPro. JPro, is this you, bro? Is this you? Because I think you're the one that will put something about a cut. Um, are you in the filthy squad? It's filthy squad, my boy. How did you get that name wrongly like that? It's not filthy squad, it's filthy squad, my boy, with TH. My boy got that something mixed, bro. Okay, what's this? J code. But for some reason I can't find J Pro. So you guys drop yours. Somebody's called Sohel X29. Let's see, Sohel X29. I think yesterday I tried looking for your stuff, if I'm not mistaken. X29. If I don't find it today, that means, yeah, your GitHub is not there, my boy. J Patel. Okay, J Patel. Yours is J Patel. Okay, cool. J Patel. Oh, I think this is you, right? Yo, why do you have a picture of an old man and you're not even in California, first of all? So which one is it? Jay Patel, do you know how to code? I told for the last time also. Sohel X29. Yeah, even yesterday you said the same thing and I couldn't find it yesterday. So I think something is not right with it. So you check. I think the issue's with you, not with my stuff. Okay, let's see what can we check out. Let me see if we're on frame. Can we just close this down for a minute? Boys, for some reason, I need to hide this. Sure. Alright, let's see. For some reason, I don't know if I'm on frame. Alright, let's see. I'm on frame here. Sorry, it's Sohel X196. I told you, bro. I literally told you. So yeah, stop making us look stupid, my boy. Stop making us look stupid. Alright, let's go. Let me see. For some reason, sorry, bro. Filthy is also joining our project. Yeah, I'm gonna join your project, man. I'm gonna join your project, so don't worry about that at all. Let me see, Jay Patel. Jay Patel, which one are you here, bro? Because I don't see anybody that looks 14 years old here. Yeah, I can for some reason I can see yours there. So let me go check this dude. Sohel X196. Oh yeah, so this is you for sure. Woohoo, my boy. Your stuff is yo. Yo, you going nuts, bro. You've been contributing a lot, man. What the fuck? And I'm only seeing you have contact app, you have JavaScript topics, voice attendance. What do you mean by voice attendance, bro? What's this project about? Please tell me your username, Dr. Hacktivist. Yo, which one is this? What's voice attendance? Yeah, but I like what's going on here, bro. 20 bro, only in 2025. Yo, how do you have more fucking contributions than me, dog, in this year, bro? I don't know how, but I've been coding every single day for 1 month straight. How do you have more contributions than me? It's questionable. Yeah, but I'm impressed, man. I'm impressed with your profile. It's a glitch. I got your account, J Pro. Alright. What's a glitch, bro? What's the glitch? Where's the glitch, bro? Love you, brother. Yeah, no homo, man. You the one that said love you yesterday with all that Diddy shit, all that emojis and shit. Love you too, my brother. No homo, man. All right, what's this? This dude is in you in Kandua. Is that a place? Let me check it out. Where's Kandua found? Kandua. Let me see. It's in India, right? I know it's in India, but I want to see city in India. All right, let me see images. Ooh, Kandua. Kandua looks clean, boy. Kandua. Is it a local city? Cause I can see like it got the old. It gives me old vibes, like those old cities. Yeah, but it looks good. Man, why is there too much sun like this, bro? Like, if I see a city with too much sun, I get scared for some reason. I don't know why. Yeah, yeah. I've been off, man. Good. No worries, bro. Bro? Filters also join our squad. Where you going, my boy? Yeah, Rahul Dundi. What's good, my boy? Welcome to the stream. I think you're not new here, I guess. But if you are, then welcome to the stream. Hey man, what's good? Yo, Farouk, what's good, my boy? What's popping? I'm looking at you guys' GitHubs. Yeah, y'all should send me your GitHub. Let me see it. Let me check it out. I like this dude's GitHub. I'm impressed. Like his GitHub can literally scream a busy person. Although I don't see like, cause everything seems to look like JavaScript only. So there's a clone, there's a YouTube clone literally, and then there's a WhatsApp clone. My boy, you've done all clones, man. Speaking of clone, I think I'll have to delete my Twitter clone, bro. Because I was talking to a friend and they said, bro, having clones is not really going to like stand out on your resume. You gotta have projects that are really screaming a big dev. All right. So I think that's what we're gonna do. We have Twitter clone here, which is something that we don't want to keep here. So I think I'll make it private. I'll make it private. I don't want to use this in my application at all. So, yeah, what I'm going to include in my application in my portfolio is going to be this payment provider. And then, wait, why do we have two of them? Why do we have we got filthy payment and also payment provider? I'm confused. All right, filthy payment. When did I even open this repo? But we got payment provider here. All right, let's check. I think the subscription management API and stuff. So I think this is the one we worked on yesterday. So yeah, I'm gonna have to delete this one, filter payment repo, because I don't know why it's there for some reason. They do the same thing. You finished Twitter clone? Yeah, bro, Twitter clone. I don't really want to keep going with it because I was disappointed when my friend told me like he's not impressed with that. So yeah, I feel like if my friend is not impressed, then probably it's not something good. Okay, I will not say I'm going to use my friend's ideas to judge my work or anything, but it's more like, all right, man, that's the closest person to me. So I feel like he's also a good programmer. So I just take his word for it. J Pro, does your account have a Russian text? Coda. I think that's you. Why you not coding? I'm actually reviewing this guy's what GitHub. So I'm gonna code in a second. Give me a second. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that, bro. We have a long way to go. As you guys know for sure, we'll be streaming for hours, bro. I don't be streaming for like 10 minutes and shit. So don't worry. Don't be under pressure, my boy. If you're under pressure, you can go and come back. You will always get me here. So don't worry. All right, let's refresh this. I see. All right, now we have everything. So I'm going to these two clones and stuff, both front end and back end. I'm going to have to I'm going to have to fucking make them private, two of them. So yeah, you guys drop the names. Drop the names. Let me see. So this dude, his name is Coda. His name is Coda. Let me see. Coda. I am. I think he said Coda. Oh shit. Coda. I am. I guess. Yeah. So which one? Which one are you, my boy? Inside users. There are two users here. There is this. I think this should be you, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, you from Pakistan? Is that you, my boy? Bro, currently in the second year of college, so suggest me what I should learn. Um, I don't know. Like your education system, I think is different from mine. So I don't know really. I have no ideas. What I can recommend for you to learn, cause I don't know, bro. For us, like ours is kind of confusing because we started off with like C, and then we went to C plus plus, then we went to JavaScript, and then we went to Java, and then we did C sharp, and then we did SP.NET, and then we did a lot of stuff. So I don't know. I don't know. Somebody said creating a project using MySQL data. Wait, payment method. Let me. Can I check this out? What? For some reason, bro has empty stuff pinned. Who's this dude? Wait, is this? Yes, bro. Is this you, Ahmed Mughal? I think this is you, right? Ahmed Ali Mughal, my boy from Pakistan. Yeah. No wonder your name is a Muslim name. Yeah. Now I get it. That's nice, man. I have a lot of friends from Pakistan. That's very, very interesting. All right, can I check your portfolio? I think this is the profile. I think this is the same profile. All right. Oh, you have a YouTube channel. My boy has a YouTube channel. Four, not fun. Okay, easy. No worries, no worries. So yeah, I don't know. For some reason, I can see which one is your favorite project here because there are a bunch of projects here. Payment project, empty repositories. My boy, which one? What is your code, bro? I feel like maybe your repos are private. Student management in Java. All right, let me check it out. Do you have a README for it? Okay, this is a README. Bro, for some reason you have 0 lines of code. What's going on with your stuff? How you want me to check your stuff out, but I can barely see any project? I feel like right now if I'm looking to hire you, I cannot hire you because your stuff looks vague. It looks like you don't code, but everything is for some reason 55 repos. That means you have things that you've hidden. And then on your profile, I have to go to repos and fucking hunt for your stuff. Nah, I feel like something's wrong with your stuff. I mean, future tech. Bro, Dr. Activist, are you there? Yeah, hey. Car lover, hey man, what's good? J Pro, I sent you now. Alright. Check mine. Azrali 21. Alright, I'm gonna check yours in a second. As right. Wait, is that the correct spelling? I think it's rare, right? Azrarali. I think it's like this. Rarali. Azrarali. What? Yeah, Azrarali 21. I think that's it. I think this is you, my boy. Somebody said, bro, I'm learning full stack web dev. Is it worth it? Give me some project ideas to work on. Yeah, man, full stack web dev is worth it, man. Ooh, my boy got some clean fucking readme, bro. Yo, how did you do this? I build UIs with React, learn fast by breaking things, and fix just enough to move forward. What? So from this, right? I like this, right? But I kind of don't like you saying you break things. You learn first by breaking things. Well, that's true. You learn by breaking things. Now, saying fix just enough to move forward, it makes you look as if you're too lazy to fix things. So you just want to fix things just to move forward. So that makes you like a very unserious developer. I don't know if you read this right. And plus your statement here saying learn first by breaking things. All right, so that means you learn first. Because I'm confused. I feel like this statement you're trying to make it look like the first thing you do is learn by breaking things, or it's like you learn faster, as in speed, by breaking things, and then you fix just enough to move on. I don't know, bro. I don't. I kind of don't like this statement. I like the first one, but yeah, I don't like this. So try to do something about that. I'm currently working on Snipe Sync, which is I don't know what that is, but I'm currently learning React, Monstack, alright. And now to reach me, oh my boy, but I can't. I like everything here. Like this read me looks super professional, my boy. Yeah. Somebody said I should give them project ideas. I don't know. I'll say maybe to do app if you're just learning. To do app if you're not just learning, then maybe build like a fucking booking system. I think that's better because you get to learn a lot of stuff. Connect with me on Twitter. It's now X and LinkedIn. So yeah, most people just don't want to use this thing anymore, like this Twitter thing icon. Languages and tools. So HTML. Wait, I can for some reason you got CSS first, and then you got Git somewhere, and then you got HTML, and then you got JavaScript. It looks like you're confused, bro. Because I swear to God, you see how people read the projects, I mean, the technologies, they read it like this: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Tailwind, React. That's how most people read it. But if all of a sudden you just learned CSS, somebody's gonna question you. Like it'll be the small things like this that matter, bro. It was random. Check out my web. All right, I'm gonna check it out, bro. You don't check my website. Go check my repository. Which one? Which one? I didn't check it, man. I'll check it in a second because your repos are all, I think, private. I'll check it. Most used languages: JavaScript, HTML, CSS. All right. So, what achievements of this? Okay, you got 145 commits, and then you got a C, which is not bad. Now, other than that, I don't see anything about your profile again. Because for some reason, I think your stuff is hidden or what. I don't know. All right. So, what's going on here? You just made. I'm not seeing your repos. I'm not seeing anything. Yeah, bro. I don't see anything on here. I think I'm impressed by the readme, but then it doesn't give me enough. Where's my girlfriend? She's at home, man. She's in her house. Pakistani, lol. Yeah, keep it up, dude. Thanks a lot, man. Sahib Khan was good, man. Um, I'm gonna check your website in a second. Give me a second. Check out my web. I'll send you a link. Send you a link. If it's not the link, then send me the name of your GitHub. I'll check it out. It was random. Like we have to select by ticking, so there was no serial number. Okay, I see you. I see you, my boy. So I think that should be enough on checking you guys stuff. Now we should go back to learning. So let's go back to learning. Let's see what we're gonna be working on. So hopefully everything has updated. Doctor found issues in this. I think everything now works clearly, if I'm not mistaken. So that should work. If we just say flutter run right now, let's go to lib folder main.dirt. I think it needs us to open a simulator, right? So let's open a simulator real quick. And the worst part about the simulator is just going to like slow down the computer a little bit. That's why I need to upgrade my computer. That's why you guys gotta sub up so I can upgrade the computer. Y'all feel me, man? We gotta get a new M4 MacBook, man. I know that's too ambitious, but yeah, we gotta get it. All right, so let's see how this is gonna roll. For now, we have that in place. We got this. So then what next? Add Firebase packages. So add this to your prospect.yaml, right? So we gotta add these ones. So for some reason, I don't understand how we're gonna configure Firebase, right? Because I've never used it. Like we have to select by ticking. Okay, cool. No. How was your exam? I didn't do exam today. My exam is 2 days from now. Bro, I'm planning to beat Elon Musk. What? Somebody said he's ready to beat Elon Musk, bro. What the? Hold on, my boy, you too ambitious, bro. What you mean you want to beat Elon Musk? Like this, bro. Yeah. Don't say congratulations, but you know they're white as shit. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm young, black, and rich. She tryna sell me lies, bitch. I ain't buying shit. Yeah, you saw that low kid on the boat, bro. Is doing that shit like some weird like stuff. I think it's like, oh my god, that kid made my day, bro. I always just check it on TikTok, and I always laugh, bro. Elon Musk. Elon Musk doesn't even know how to code anymore. He doesn't have to code, bro. Why you guys hating on a rich person? Like you guys have more problems than he does. He doesn't care about what you're saying. He doesn't have to code, dog. He's a rich man. Yeah, he's a rich man. Yeah, he's a rich man, bro. He doesn't have to care about what you guys are saying. Why? For some reason, I'm getting so many messages. You're enjoying your. Alright, bro. I think so. Now we've logged into our Firebase account. Rapper filthy. No, 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 no. I'm not a rapper, bro. I just had it on TikTok. It's yeah, it's just some low kid that is on the boat and shit. For some reason, he just became famous from TikTok and stuff. Which, like, bro, that should tell you how life can just change in a minute, bro. Alright, so I think we should apply this to the pros. Let's apply that. Accept. Value is not accepted. Why? Because there's any. Fix this in the chat. What's going on here? Can't even say congratulations, but you know they watch that shit. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm young, black, and rich. She tryna sell me lies, bitch. I ain't buying shit. Alright, so now I think we just gotta run Flutter pubget. So we can run Flutter pubget to update everything, right? Flutter pubget is gonna update for us everything, alright? So that should be it, I guess. Did we run it? I think we did. Bro, where you from? Cause I'm planning to meet you. I'm from South Sudan, bro. When do you want to meet me? What's the task for today? All right, so the task for today, we actually have work that has been given by school, and they want us to build a recipe sharing mobile application using Flutter and Firebase, right? And me, as you guys know, I love to work smart, not hard. So since we just like doing Flutter for school, and for some reason I'm not gonna need Flutter for my job or anything, I think there's no point of really like there's no hold on, let me see. Let me make sure I'm on frame, right? Because for some reason I don't look like I'm on frame. I don't know. For some reason I don't look like I'm on frame. Alright, let me be on frame. I think I'm on frame now. Yes, sir, we're on frame, we're on frame. Let me see. I think like this looks good. I think like this looks good. Yep. So for some reason we're not on frame when I use the mobile app. All right. I think we. I'm just gonna have to just drop it down a little bit. And which class are you in? Wait. How should I read that? In which class? Yeah, I'm in year two, man. But is it? Should I keep saying year two when I'm just like doing the final exams tomorrow? Next tomorrow. I'm starting year three in October, so yeah, I'm in year three, bro. Yeah, because we're passing exams anyway. So now the school gave us this work, which is in Flutter, connecting Flutter with Firebase. So we gotta build the user authentication, sign up, sign in, whatever logout. Then we gotta build the receipt management where we can add, view, like receipts, and then photo upload with Firebase, storage integration, and the real-time updates user profile like system. So this is a thing that we're going to build. I want to make this one. I want to build this one real quick and then send it to school and then call it a day for the schoolwork. Then we can keep going working on our applications. Yeah, because I'm not really interested in schoolwork, bro. My schoolmates, no, I don't like school like that. I just want to do it for my parents. So what next now? Okay, so the next thing after adding these file store, I think it's Firebase Core, Firebase Auth, Cloud File Store, Firebase Storage, and then provide a lattice. Okay, image picker lattice. Okay, then after that we gotta initialize Firebase in your app. So inside the main.dart, we gotta initialize Firebase, which is gonna be like void main async. Then we're gonna have widgets flutter binding dot ensure initialize await Firebase initialize up and then run up. Now I'm not gonna sit here and then just waste my time coding this on scratch when AI can just help us, right? So I'm just gonna say apply this. Yep, can't even say congratulations, but you know they why that shit. Alright, so for some reason, if we run this now, let's try to run this. Let me open this simulator. So let's try to run this. Hopefully, let's start debugging. Let's see how it's gonna look. Unable to launch Flutter project in Dart. Oh, what? Wait. How we gonna run this, my boys? So before, let me try to remove this. Alright, then let me try to run this again. Yo, what? Deadline. They want it tonight, bro. They want it before 11 p.m. Why do you think I'm stressing myself? You know? They want it tonight, man. Alright, let's just. They want it tonight, and since I'm just going to, since I'm gonna use it for some, for it's just gonna be for some time, right? So I don't have to I don't have to import this. Okay. So what's this fix? So since we are just finishing Flutter this week, I don't have to stress having to learn it. After this nowadays, I'm not gonna use Flutter anymore. So that's gonna be a good reason to just vibe code this and then call it a day. So let me say Flutter run, Flutter run. Let's see. All right, let's see how it's going to do everything. I want to run this for now. Yep. Okay, it's launching in my iPhone 16 Plus. Not my physical iPhone 16 Plus. Bro, where you from? Okay, I think I answered that question. DSA, I'm gonna start DSA next week after school. After I finish my final exams. We're gonna start doing DSA like crazy and applying for jobs like nuts. You feel me? Finish your Figma design. I think that should be it. Now we this is fantastic clean and whatever. So let's see what's going on. Folder structure suggestion. So we're gonna have to change the folder structure a little bit. We're gonna need the main.dart and then inside the lib, right? And then now we're gonna have screens, and then we're gonna have auth screen.dart, and then we're gonna have widgets. We're gonna have custom text field dot, and then we're gonna have gradient button dot, then the tab switcher dot. I don't know. For some reason, this stuff just looks complicated. Currently, which year are you in college? Like in college, I'm in my second year in college, bro. I'm in my second year, but I'm starting my third year in October, so I'm almost done. Right, this is the auth. So now we're gonna have a class called auth screen, which extends a stateful widget, and then it takes auth screen state. It's just a stateful widget because it's gonna change with time, right? So that's why it's called stateful. Then now let's see the whole entire thing. We're gonna have a scaffold. Okay, that's the design for all that stuff. Now let me see where's the logic, bro, because for some reason I'm seeing only. This is why I'm not gonna stress myself with this, bro, because man, this is complicated, dog. This is too complicated for me to even fathom. All right, so color, if it's login, then color.white. Hey, Jesus Christ. Hey, what is this, dog? And why is this thing taking forever? Alright, man, this shit is taking forever. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit up my friend and I'm gonna tell him to send me the code. So I don't have to stress about all that shit. I can just continue with the application for today, right? Adding payment method. All right, we're just gonna ignore this for now. Give it a second. Give this a second. So, okay, let me come here. Let me see. Let me just open Grok because this is my favorite LLM, man. Large language model. All right, so I'm given a task to create. Oh, to create this. So could you help me out step by step if possible? So let's go ahead inside our text file, copy everything that's here, copy it and drop it to, okay, please use proper separation of concerns. So the code is very readable and manageable. Alright, I don't know if this spelling is correct. I think this is it. I'm just gonna drop it like that. Alright. Mm-hmm. My boys, man, we're going crazy. We're going crazy, bro. Like we just 2 away from 30. God damn. Nah, you guys are going crazy. Great. This Flutter, I think, yeah, we got everything there. Let's let Grok do its work. What we using Grok 3? Oh, we have to upgrade to use the other latest one. Okay, it's not bad. I don't mind using Grok 3, bro, because for some reason Grok is insane at coding. So, alright, let's just skip it, Grok. Why is it taking forever? Alright, we got the designs, we got everything in place. I got everything. Yeah. So I want to know, bro, when do you guys want us to start DSA? Because, man, like coding projects are just so boring to watch. I feel like DSA is the most entertaining one because you get to watch somebody struggle, right? Coding projects is just like, not my cup of tea, bro. Let's just copy this and I'm gonna delete this for a second. We're gonna start a new conversation. I'm gonna say Grok again. Is it Grok? What's the meaning of Grok, man? What's the meaning of that word Grok? Oh my god. Alright, man. If it's gonna take this long again, I'm just gonna drop this into ChatGPT and just see how everything plays out because I don't have patience for this, bro. Just gonna drop this and then let's see. ChatGPT, you see, ChatGPT is just gonna react to it real quick. Wait, is it having a problem with? Okay, so I think everything is there. ChatGPT, so we shall just. Oh, all right. So now everything is coming. Um, okay, bro. I'm leaving because tomorrow's my exams. No problem, bro. Um, I want to switch from JavaScript to TypeScript and React to Next.js. All right. If you want to start doing Next.js, then that's when you need TypeScript. Because the moment you realize you want to use Next.js, then TypeScript should be part of it as well. But you should learn TypeScript as soon as possible. You can even learn TypeScript alongside JavaScript. As you're learning JavaScript, learn TypeScript, if that makes sense. Yeah, you can incorporate the same, like you just learn JavaScript with TypeScript. I think, yeah, that's gonna give you like a proper return in your investment, right? ROI, I think return of investment or return on investment. I don't know. Um. All right. So now we have an issue. Target D simulator cannot build application for simulator error launching. All right. So we waited this long just for the stuff to fail, right? Nice. Turn off info, manage extension. All right, for some reason, this stuff is not gonna run here. I'm just gonna close this down. Um, let's just open it in VS Code, I guess. So I'm just gonna go to desktop. I'm gonna go to what? Hey, bro, how are you doing? Do you remember me? Yeah, Steve Harrington. I remember you very well, my boy. Bro, you haven't been coming to the streams, though. You feel me? It seems as if you have a personal problem with me, bro. Bro. What's the problem, my boy? Have you been okay? Have you been fine, my boy? All right, let's delete this. Let's delete what's going on here. And let me stop this. Bro, my semester is going on. Oh, okay. That's interesting. Mine too, my boy. You feel me? We're going crazy. All right. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna open this in VS Code. I don't want to use Castlefield now for this application. Allow this. So what I'm gonna do, right? I'm just gonna close off this cursor. Okay, and then we're just gonna pick whatever that's gonna come from the AI itself. Yeah. So somebody said, my brother, man, was good. I pay funny. Man, welcome back to the stream, bro. Welcome back to the stream. I'd say this, bro. You guys are like going crazy. Like, look at this, dog. Look at that. Baby Chief, I think you guys know the song from that kid, right? He said, "Baby, what is going Kanye West down like dang." I like that song, right? Bro, it's happy after seeing me, man. Somebody said, "Hey, bro, love you." What you mean you love a man, bro? Oh, where's my kid? I can't even find. What do you mean you love a man, bro? There's something sus about that. I'm not gonna lie. I appreciate you for that, but that's too sus, bro. It's too sus, man. I cannot say I love you, but I'll say I like you. Hey, I like you and I want you. All right. We can either do it the hard way or the easy way. The choice is yours. My boy. Baby, calm down. Calm down. Girl, this your body you put your heart for like that. Hey, like that. Hey, girl. Say that Fanta. Fanta. If I say thank you, man. Somebody said Roger that. My boy, you a Call of Duty player, I guess. You look like you're a Call of Duty guy. Cause y'all like using that kind of stuff. Roger that stuff. Soldier kind of stuff. Yeah, man. Thank you for joining the stream, bro. It means the world to me, man. That's good. Apaji, my brother. Hey, man. Somebody is singing. Hold on, Steve Harrington. Where you from, bro? Because you're singing Rema's song, right? You literally wrote Rema's song, the lyrics, and they're correct. And I got a Nigerian like brother in the comments. As you can see him, he's called Ape Ifani. Look at that hard name. So that dude is going to attack you. You're from India, and you literally know word for word a Nigerian song. Nah, bro. Someone said do Max Vex tap in. What was that? What's that, bro? What do you mean by that? You guys, man, what's going on in the comment section? What's this dude saying? What do you mean by do Max whatever? All right, so connecting with Firebase, man, is gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard, but we got the help of Grok, right? So set up the Flutter project in Firebase. Create a new Flutter project. Configure Firebase for authentication, Firestore, and storage as well, and necessary dependencies to pubspec.yaml. F1 driver. Oh, okay. I don't know that dude. What's up with him? Does it look like who? Like you? Organize a project with a clear separation of concerns. So we're gonna have models, services, and then we're gonna have screens UI. And then we're gonna have widgets, reusable UI components. Okay, so implement the users. We gotta first implement the user authentication, receipt management, then receipt discovery, then user profiles, then upload with Firebase storage. All right, we're gonna do all that stuff. Provide key files like main.dot, models, services, screens, and wrapped in. Okay, include Firebase. All right, so we're just gonna create this. I think we've already created this, so there's no point of doing this. We're just gonna say Flutter create at latest, I guess. I think that's the thing we're gonna use. I don't know. I don't know if I'm just tripping, but I think that's what we're gonna use. So let's say Flutter. It looks like my DP, dude. Wait, your DP? Some reason I can't, bro. Is smooth operator from Chicago. I don't know, bro. Smooth operator. I don't know. I don't know because that name is too smooth for life. Okay, Flutter at latest. I don't know if this is the way they initiate Flutter. So Flutter, let's say Flutter create. All right, I think it should be Flutter create dot. Yeah, I think it's Flutter create dot. Oh, why did it? Why was it too fast like that? That's so sus. All right, so that's gonna be it. Let's see. Somebody said is yeah next. What? I'm confused. What do you mean? Smooth operator. Where you from, my boy? All right. Do not show this again. I don't want to see none of that shit. So let's open this lib and then main dot dot. And another thing we gotta do, right? I want to spin up the simulator, right? So we need the simulator. Why not? All right, we're gonna have the simulator somewhere there. Then we're gonna extend this, and we're just gonna do copy and paste. Literally, I'm not gonna waste my time doing coding everything from scratch. Hey, my boy is going to Russia for vacation. Jesus, bro, you seem too rich, bro. What you mean you can just decide to go to Russia for vacation, bro? My boy. Who are your parents, bro? Who are your parents, my boy? Alright, run and debug. I think now we can run the iOS simulator. Alright, let's see how it's gonna do. Baby, calm down. Calm down. Alright, it should open it real quick, man. It should open it real quick. Hmm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Yo. I'd say this, man. This guy is literally, Steve is literally my boy, man. Steve, I taught you right, man. I taught you right, bro. I taught you right, bro. Let this stuff go here for a second. Let me just do this. Yo, Steve. Yo, Steve, I have a statement for you, bro. Heads off to you, my boy. Heads off to you for that. I'd say this, bro. Russian girls are fire. Russian girls are fire. Like I've been seeing them on TikTok and shit, Instagram. Yeah. Yeah, if you dating a Russian girl, bro, you won in life, my boy. Hey man, we made it to 4:30. Jesus Christ. Look at the goal, bro. We about to hit the goal in like, oh Jesus Christ, but Latino. Oh yeah. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Latinas are like bam. So I like that fire, bro. So yeah. Ah man, like did you guys see that we just yo 31 now? You guys are we really gonna hit the goal today, bro? Are we gonna hit the goal today? If we don't do it today, I don't mind. My Nigerian sister shouldn't catch you, bro. Yo, hey, man, don't snitch, don't snitch. Don't snitch on us, bro. I'm scared. I'm scared. Don't do that. Your Nigerian sister is at home, bro. She's literally at home, man. Yeah, I left her at home sleeping, bro. I was with her there at home, so I just came to my house and I'm just streaming now. Yeah. Nah, the girl knows I'm loyal. She knows. You don't have to worry. She knows I like her. I love her. She's my queen. All right, I'm gonna say debug. I think we're just gonna say the boolean is gonna be false because we want to remove this nonsense debug thing. Okay, it's not there now. All right, so I think we have the counter now working. If we just add these, the counter's working. All right, that should make it. Yo, are you ignoring me? I'm not, bro. What the fuck? Shawib Osman, my brother. Here's the thing, bro. You guys, have you guys joined the Discord? Because today, bro, we're not gonna like have too much coding. We're gonna do a little bit of how do I call it, of vibe coding, and then we're gonna have a good time on Discord. So if you guys are not join, if you guys haven't joined the Discord yet, you guys should join because we're gonna have a good Discord call with all of you guys in it. So let me take this link. Yeah, if you haven't joined, I'm gonna just send you the link now so you guys can join. We're gonna hop on a call, a Discord call. We're gonna have a good time, bro. Let me go to let me say YouTube. I want to hear things from you, bro. Like I want you guys to tell me like your US or Nigeria. Are you from Nigeria? No, I'm not from Nigeria, bro. I'm from South Sudan, bro. Yeah, people barely hear anything about South Sudan because the only time you hear something's about, maybe basketball and stuff. I'm from South Sudan, bro. And look at the consistency, bro. You should see the consistency. All right, I'm gonna send it. I'm gonna put it right now in the. Hold on. I'm gonna put it here, bro. Today I wanna hear your what's confession, man. You get it? I wanna hear something. I wanna make sure you guys, the people with me on stream, are not weirdos. So I wanna hear your what's confessions. All right, let me put this on. We're gonna go crazy. All right, so you guys, I just sent you guys the link. You guys should check it out. South Sudan, yeah, I'm from South Sudan. Yeah, there's war in South Sudan. My country is a fucking battlefield, dog. My country is a fucking battlefield. It's scary as fuck, dog. All right, we gotta close this for a minute. I think we have the screenshots already. Yeah, bro, you guys join the Discord. I shared something on Discord. Okay. Let me check it out. My boy, don't feel like you ignored, man. You see, like the way we've grown, the community has grown, man. I barely keep up with you guys. Somebody said build a professional form with drag and drop interface. Export to React components or JSON. What's that? Render. Oh, you have the backend. Hey, Emmanuel, I'm Dr. Activist. Okay. I know that. You just joined this stuff. Trust. Okay, I trust this guy. So that's the backend, right? Because it's on render, I guess. I guess it's a backend. Ooh, drag and drop fields to create your form, then export a JSON schema. Wait, what? You can literally drag and drop fields to create your form and then export as JSON schema or React component. Wait, what is this application for? Like what is it about? Open the site. Yeah, I did open it. Yeah, you guys should join the Discord, bro. I want to hear from you guys. We're gonna hop on a Discord call in a second. We're gonna hop on a Discord call in a second. And I don't want any shy person here, man. Templates, let's check the template. So first there's name, there's email, phone number. Oh, this is more like CN, right? It's more like CN if I'm not mistaken. All right, that's cool. That's cool, my brothers. That's not bad. I think I'll check it after the stream, right? Because I don't want it to interfere with what we're gonna do in a second. So have you guys all joined the Discord? Somebody say something like check out my portfolio. This is glitch, right? Yeah, guys, join the Discord. Join the Discord. Let me check you guys out. Open the site. All right, I'm just gonna open this for a second because what are you studying, brother? Computer science, software engineering. This is Dr. Activist. Hi, I'm Dr. Activist, full stack developer, 12 years of 12 years old. How the fuck you 12 years old and you building this kind of stuff? I don't know. I think this is with Lovable. Bro, I was confused, bro. I'm like, damn, how the fuck this nigga created this stuff? Yeah, excuse my French, bro. I just assume everyone is a nigga. All right. Okay, Dr. Activist, you use Lovable. This is good, but it's not impressive because I can still see that you use Lovable, my boy. You're not wise. You're 12 years old. I can give you a pass because you're 12 years old. Somebody said, how can you afford a Mac? Alright, how you can afford a Mac? Wait. What? Man, that's some stereotypical shit. What you mean by just because I'm in South Sudan, how do I afford a MacBook, man? Wait, what do you mean by that, bro? Can you elaborate on what you just mean, bro? Because somebody's trying to hurt my feelings right now, bro. Somebody's trying to hurt my feelings, bro. Yeah, no, I'm screaming, but I'm annoyed, man. What you mean? Because I'm in South Sudanese. How do I afford a fucking MacBook, man? What you mean by that, bro? No, 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 man. I'm hurt, man. You hurt my soul, bro. What you mean by that, man? uh, I'm not rich, dog. I'm not rich, but having a MacBook doesn't make you rich. Like people just assume anything, right? And let me tell you, here's the thing. I used to, when I was in Egypt, right? I bought a gaming computer. That's like MSI. I think you guys know that. I bought. Let me see. Let me go to Amazon so I can show you guys how I got my MacBook. Cause you guys have a very misconstrued. You guys have everything misconstrued. So let me say MSI. So this is the first computer I had, right? I bought it when I was in Egypt. I think last year, something like that. I think last year, yeah. All right. So this is the MacBook I bought. If I'm not mistaken, it was like $1,200. It's like MSI gaming laptop. It's crazy. So I used to be a big PC fanboy, right? I think it's supposed to be laptop. Yeah, it's supposed to be laptop. What's your source of income? What do you mean? Source of income. I just hustle, bro. Oh, you guys can see the screen. My bad, man. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, cause this dude just hurt my soul, man. So I was confused for a minute. I just hustle, bro. I just grind. That's it. That's how I make my money. I just grind. All right. So this is 1,002. I think this is the MSI I had. I literally had this MSI, bro. And after I used this MSI for like 2 years, then the time I came to Rwanda, I was like, all right, I'm tired of this MSI. And I was addicted to gaming, right? Although it wasn't really a problem because I didn't have a problem with it. But I was like, all right, man, I got to change my life around. So what did I do? I just decided to change it. No, Osman Fahad. Come on, man. I'm joking, bro. Like, bro, if you guys like, I feel like you're new to the stream, right? But that's what I do. Like, I just tend to just overdo some things. But I'm not hard at all. I'm just having a good time. I'm even joking with you. Yeah. So I sold my MSI for like $1,000, and then I got my MacBook. So imagine I used it for 2 years and I literally sold it for $1,000. When I just bought it, I bought it at 1,200. I used it to the fullest and I sold it for 1,000. That's crazy, right? So after I sold it, then I just bought a MacBook. So I think that's it. I didn't really get it from scratch. But soon enough, once we get monetized on YouTube, we're gonna be upgrading things. So don't worry, don't worry. I set up Firebase. Okay. Okay, turn it up. Can somebody explain why Steve are meant by Benzema? I don't even know good English. Oh, thank you, Usman Fahad. I think you're from Pakistan, right? If you're from Pakistan, then I'm impressed because one thing for sure is I speak Arabic. Like Arabic, I speak it fluently. If you want me to do speak it with you, I can. Um, um, you're my long lost brother. Okay. All right. So are you guys all on Discord so that we can hop on a call right now? Are you guys all active on Discord? Speak Arabic then. Wait. So we have show up Osman. Show up Osman. انت عايز تسمع ايه يا ابني؟ انت عايز تسمع ايه؟ That's actually Egyptian Arabic, right? But I can speak the normal Arabic. I like the Egyptian Arabic is kind of hard though. Yeah, I can admit. Yo, my brother Ifani Akpe Ifani from Nigeria. So we're gonna say this. Are you guys all active on are you guys ready for the call? Are you guys ready for the call, bro? Yeah, should let me know. I'm gonna do my own thing. Oh, Dakash Kumar was good. I don't subscribe. Many people I subscribe you. Very entertaining. Thank you so much. Do you know how many guys say that, bro? Like, bro, not to self glaze, bro, but sometimes, bro, you just gotta give yourself props, man. You gotta give yourself a pat on the shoulder. Thank you, bro. You feel me? Thank you so much, man. It means the world to me. All right. Anyways, let's go. Let's keep going. So, are you guys ready? We can hop on a call right now. I speak no English. Oh, how do you understand me then? If you, everyone is ready for that for the call. Okay. If you guys are all ready, then we can hop on a call real quick. I want to hear you guys. I want to hear stories from you guys. So let me see how we're gonna hop on a call. Where's the call, bro? How do we hop on a call? Yo, how do we do it, man? Like, I don't know. I don't know. I think I don't know how to do it on Discord. For some reason, I'm a very big noob on Discord. How much are you, in which semester are you? Oh, okay. I'm in semester filthy. I'm new to Discord. Okay. All right, no problem. I'm also new to Discord, man. Don't worry. I'm in my final semester for year 2, so I'll probably start my first semester of year 3 in October. So, yeah. I'm about to graduate. I'm left with 1 year, which is not bad. So let's see general. Okay, voice connected. So how are you guys gonna join? You guys should go to general, right? I think. Is that it? You guys should go to general. Is that how we're gonna new okay switch? Are you 21 years old? No, I'm 24. I'm 24 years. My girlfriend is the one that's 20. She's 20 years. Let me see. He's 24. Yeah, thanks, man. I'm 24 for sure. How to do it? I don't even know, bro. How you guys should? I think when you scroll like from the community, then I think you leave general. All right, let me just make it easier on myself instead of stressing. I'm just gonna say how to group call on Discord. All right, let's see. To group call on Discord, you have two main ways: via group DM or inside a server voice channel. Yeah, so you guys have to join the voice channel. Good. I think that is it. I think that is it. Select up to 10 users max in a private group call. Okay. I think that should be it. I think that should be it. So you guys have joined the group call. Am I tripping? Let me put on my headphones so that your voices don't bleed into the mic. Go to voice and general. Alright, I just joined it right now. I just joined it right now. I'm also your neighbor country in hmm. Okay, I just did. I just did. Let me put on my headphones. I just did. Let me put on my headphones, my boy. Yep, I just saw you. I just saw you funny, my boy. I just saw you. So how are we gonna have it? Okay, we're on here now. General. Yeah, so I think you guys are all here, right? Can you guys hear me though? Can you guys hear me? I think because my stuff is still on let me see external. Okay, let me just change this. Give me a second, guys. So okay, input then external. This is my headphones. All right, I think that's connected now. So how we gonna do it? Yo, bro, are you guys hearing me? Yo, are you hearing me? Are you hearing me? Yeah, I can hear you guys. I can hear you guys. I only had one person speaking. I don't know. Dakash? Oh, Daksh. Oh my God, I said Dakash. You're Daksh. But I'm bad at pronouncing stuff. Okay, so how many of you guys have joined, bro? Somebody said they don't speak English. I don't know how you understand me though. Yeah, okay. I'm seeing. I pay Fanny, bro. Can you pronounce your name, please, man? So I don't have to butcher it. It's Akpe. Okay, Akpe. Ifan. Okay, all right. Yo, show up, show up. Is that Shaup? What's good? What's good, my brother? How you doing? Yeah, for sure. I can see. I can see from your name. So we got who's this other dude who's quiet, bro? We got Mithun or whoever. I don't know, bro. You guys shouldn't be shy, bro. You guys shouldn't be shy. Like we want everybody here to be themselves. You feel me? Yeah. You guys gotta be yourselves, man. Somebody activist, man. This dude is spamming our stuff on YouTube right now. What is he saying, bro? Are you a graduate? No, I'm not a graduate. I'm just answering these guys on YouTube right now. So, yeah, so Akpe, I want to ask you a question, right? All right, so I have somebody like a friend in Nigeria, and he's like, there's a friend that he knows that's literally pitching his I think it's a fintech, or I think it's something about fintech or something. He has a startup and he's literally like getting investors rolling in stuff. So I don't know how that is done in Nigeria. How is it done that side? Mm. Mm-hmm. 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 I think it's called Nile, right? I don't know. I don't know. I think it's called Nile. Yeah, he's always on TikTok talking about it. I think it's called Nile.org. Hold on, let me just look it up. Give me a second. For some reason, I can see it, but let me just say Nile, Nigeria fintech, something like that. Uh, I think he's serious because I've been seeing he has like 10,000 users. He just started off recently. He has like 10,000 users. Yeah. Mm-hmm. 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 Facts, facts. Mm-hmm. All right. Yeah, yeah. It's actually Nile.ng. Nile.ng. I just checked it out. Yeah. It's Nile.ng. It looks legit though. I like everything. Like the interface is clean. It's using Nigerian colors, which is green, right? Yeah. But I think that's a good thing to do though. Okay. How about Dax? Yo, Dax, if I can ask you a question, right? Because I see a lot of Indians on LinkedIn as well, like going crazy with all that like fintech stuff. Is it fintech or they just are having random startups and stuff? So for me, my biggest question is always, let's say like a company or just like VC backed investors reach out to you and then they decide to invest like $1 million on your startup, and for some reason you don't like live up to the expectations. And all right, no worries. No worries, no worries. I just have a question. Like, I'm just curious, right? Like I was saying. So let's assume a company, or just investors, right, decide to invest like $1 million on you, and then within a year you don't live up to the expectations. Will they expect you to pay back their money or what? Yeah, yeah. No, I'm actually posing this question to all of you guys because I'm just curious, bro. Because I have literally a. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. 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 Oh. Yeah, facts. Very true. Very true. Oh. All right. So who are we gonna begin with, bro? Because I want to hear your stories, man. Like one thing for sure, we always do on the channel is we always be coding and shit, but It's more to code. It's more to it than just coding. I just want to get to know y'all. So I want to know something about you guys. So yeah, anybody can start, man. All right. It's not a podcast, bro. We just having a conversation as friends. Which podcast? That's you crazy for that, man. Stop with all that BS, man. I know. So here's the thing. I want to know, like, you guys, like, what's the craziest stuff you guys have done, like, because I've been thinking about it. Right, yesterday somebody asked me, like, what's the craziest stuff you've done, and then I asked them in what context, because we've done a lot of crazy stuff, but what's the craziest stuff you've done, like, just in general, like, not even anything specific. My boys, y'all quiet, bro. I want to hear y'all. Mm-hmm. All right, I'm interrogating you. Daksh, first of all, Daksh, anything that you say will be used against you in courts of law. uh, okay. So, Afani, I'm sorry for using your second name, bro, because the name Akpe is hard for me. I'm sorry. All right. So, what's I think you guys use British style of school system, right? If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think it's the same with ours too. So, like, let's say, is it like a necessary stuff for you to, like, have a certificate that side? Like, let's say the bachelor's degree, is it that like a must for you to have it before you can get a job? Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. It's crazy, right? All right. So, for me, like, in my case, bro, in my case, it's worse because, for some reason. Wait. So, first of all, before we go ahead, right? For some reason, I think our conversation is not showing on YouTube. I don't know why, but um, hold on, just give me a second, guys. All right. So for me, like, in my place, bro, we literally don't have anything to do with, like. Hold on. We don't have anything to do with programming, bro, because most of the companies in my country are just like, they're just owned by individuals that are not even serious. It's like somebody can just decide to open a company and not even care about it. You understand? Because the most we have in my country is just MTN, I guess, and MTN, I doubt if it's owned by anybody in Africa. I don't know. For real, because I swear to God, I be seeing a lot of white guys with it. Let me try to check it out. Let me just give me a second. Let me say, okay, original owners of MTN. Is it even original? Do I have to say that? Do I have to say original owners? This is it's owned by Mnet and Cable. What? Okay, yeah, it's a white man. I told you. Yeah, he's from Germany. He's from Germany, but it's controlled by the Africans. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. So, Daksh, there's this dude here called Glitch. I think he's from your place too. Yeah, I don't know why his name is Glitch though. You guys have suspicious names, bro. Somebody's called Glitch, man. So, Dax, you guys use British system too, right? Yeah, for real. Okay. Mm. Yeah, so okay, if I can ask you guys just a question, right? What's really like the driving force that's driving you guys towards like all this, like you guys trying to grind and shit? My boy just answered point blank, man. It's money. uh, Doug, she say what? No, it's not. Yeah, what's the driving force, bro? So here's the thing, bro. You guys don't know the main reason why I actually decided to go crazy like this is before I even started streaming, right? I want to let you guys know something. Before I started streaming, right, there are like two companies that I just randomly applied for because I was, I started year two of uni doing computer science. So I didn't even like when we started year two of uni, I didn't even know anything like in programming, bro. Can't even lie to you. I think I was just passing just to pass exams. So after that, what happened is when I started year two, I was like, all right, man, I gotta get my life together. So somebody on YouTube was talking about just apply even if you don't have any fucking experience or knowledge. So I took that in my own hands and I'm like, all right, let me do that. So I went to LinkedIn and I started looking for entry level jobs. Bro, I literally got two jobs. I can't even lie to you. Two jobs is like interviews, bro. And do you know what happened, bro? I butchered all the interviews. Literally, I butchered all of them. I went there and I was confused. They were asking me, what's your experience? I'm like, huh? What? Which app did you build? I literally had like a to-do app and some weather app. Those people were laughing, dog. They gave me bro, bro, bro. They asked me a simple question. They said, "Do you know lead code?" I'm like, "What?" I just kept quiet, bro. From there, I just knew I didn't get the job, bro. After that, after the interview, I just saw. Unfortunately, we decided not to move on with you. I'm like, fuck. What did I even do? You get for real, bro. That's when I had to just like go to YouTube and just take the proper route, and that's why I started like streaming every single day to just keep myself busy. And when I started all this, bro, I didn't even know like we are gonna build a low community like with friends and brothers and shit. I'm happy for each and every one of you guys, bro. Once we get monetized, I promise you guys better send me your PayPal's, man. I want to send you guys something. Yeah, I'm telling you, bro. It's crazy because you guys turn up every single day, and it just means the world to me. So now I'm done with my questioning, bro. I wanna hear from you guys. I wanna hear from you. Like, let me see what you guys wanna know, bro. I think we're gonna do like the low Q&A for a second, and then we can just continue coding the application and call it a day, I guess. Yeah, but today I want to stream a lot though, because I have a lot of time to my in my hands because I don't have school tomorrow. So yeah. So year two. I'm about to start year three in October. So I'm starting year three in October, and I'm finishing year two in 23rd this month. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right. So I want to ask this dude, right? I pay which year are you in, bro? Oh, wow, bro. How old are you, my boy? Don't tell me 25. Oh, 26. Okay, you 2 years older than me. How about you? How about you, Dax? Oh, 19. How about Glitch? Glitch, how old are you, my boy? Bro, you're still a baby, bro. You're 12 and you're doing programming is crazy. Yo, so I pay. Are you married? Are you married? Cause, bro, you know what happened, bro? Your the my Nigerian girl, she's like, Bro, she literally wants us to get married after school, bro. Which is like 2 years from now. I'm like, damn, that's too early. That's too early, boy. Mhm. Imagine. Mm. Imagine, man. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Imagine, bro. And she's just 20 years old, bro. That's crazy. But she has a mature brain, though. She has a mature brain. But bro, do you know this food, like this food called, what's the name? Um Let me see. What's the name of that soup, bro? Yeah. Oh my god. Something about that stuff that I like. She cooks it every single day for me. Like sometimes when I don't go to her house, that's when I don't eat it. Yeah. Mm. 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 Mm-hmm. Mm. How about Daksh? Daksh, what's your stable food then in India? Yo. All right. What's Oh yeah, you know chapati too. Oh, of course, bro. Of course. We got chapati. We eat. I even literally have it with me right now. I can show you. I have it with me. I swear to God. I don't know. I don't know if I can show you. Give me a second. Give me a second. How can I share my fucking screen? Let me show you, bro. Uh, Hold on. I gotta show you, man. I think I'm using my webcam, right? Just give me a second. I literally have it with me, bro. Oh, when you're hungry, I'm breaking the utensils just to show you guys something. It's crazy. Look at this, bro. It's well prepared, well cooked. You seeing it? Are you seeing my screen? Can you see my screen? Yeah, bro. Oh my god, this one, bro, is fire. Okay, I think yours might look a little different, right? But it's still the same thing, though. Alright, let me see. Let me see yours. Send it on the Discord. Mm. Where did you send it? Where on the general side? Okay. Oh, let me see. Watch the stream. Let me watch your screen. Hold on. Give me a second. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. Oh yeah. None. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Exactly, exactly. But I think you guys just changed the names though. For us, if you type there, say chapati, type chapati. You see that's the same thing I have. Chapati. See, yep. Yeah, just say Ugandan chapati. First type Uganda. Say yeah, yeah. You see that's the one, the first one there. You see? Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, I'm telling you, bro. And I like it so much, dog. It just looks good. It looks good. All right, so if I can ask, I pay my brother. Do you like did you start applying for jobs? Mm. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm. Uh-huh. Oh, so uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Then that's amazing, bro. Yeah, that's crazy. I would say like you're literally going to land a job soon, bro. Because one thing for sure about tech is like is you have like unlimited opportunities because you can literally just mass apply in like let's say you choose a country like Ireland because most friends that I know that are in UK currently they went through Ireland, right? So if you look up Ireland, Ireland is like is almost I think let me say it's almost like 2 hours away from England, right? From UK. Yes. So most people just go to Ireland and then after they live in Ireland for some time because once you get the island stuff, residence permit, I think you can automatically just live in UK, something like that. Yeah, yeah. Exactly, exactly, exactly. So that's the route most people like pursue. They must apply for jobs in Ireland, and then once they get it, then they just go to UK. And that's the thing is like that's crazy because you can change your life straight once you do that. You get it? Yeah. So. Mm, 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 mm. Oh my God, man! I guess that guy is making millions, bro. Jesus Christ, that dude making a bank, bro. Mm. Mm-hmm. Facts. Facts. NG. Hmm. Like $1 in my country is crazy. Like if you're earning in dollars in my country, then you think you're the richest. Cause the most like there's a dude that's earning just $2,000 per month. This guy has built houses that you can't even afford them in my country, bro. Houses. Ah man, it's too like let's say $1 into South Sudanese pounds. Yeah, no problem, bro. Go have fun, man. We about to end the Harako Q&A. I love to have these ones all the time. You feel me? Because it just makes us get to know each other better. So there's no worries. Mm, so all right, man. See ya, my boy. All right. So this is a hundred. Hold on, $100 is like it's like 400, bro. It's like 400K in my country. So I think it's like if I can divide this by 100, yo, that's crazy, bro. In my country, man, these guys have spoiled like the how do you call it the strength of their money, bro. Yeah, because they are so corrupt, right? My country is too corrupt, so yeah. Bro, it was you see, it's 4,000, bro. $1 is 4,000 pounds. That's crazy because 1,000 pounds can literally like can be like hard to even find, bro. I feel like my country is more corrupt than Nigeria, but it's not as advertised as Nigeria. You see, for Nigeria, most people just advertise the bad part and they leave the good. Like if you look around, you find there's so many Nigerians who are billionaires, and it's like, damn, it's crazy because those guys can turn the country right now to Dubai if they decide. Capitalism, right? Is hmm for real, for real. Facts. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Facts. Facts. Mm-hmm. 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 Facts. 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 Mhm. Bro, it's crazy. I think some can be tied to like bad governance, right? Visionary. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Facts. Facts. That's very true, bro. Yo, Mandip was good, my brother. Yeah, bro, you've been too quiet in the group call, man. Alright, no problem. Oh, what's up? What's up with your voice, my boy? Mm. Alright, there's no waters. I don't know how long we've been streaming for now. It's crazy. We've been live for 2 hours, bro. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna I'm gonna keep this a norm, right? For us to just like every day maybe get to know each other and just connect and just have regular chats, because we don't get to do that via just like replying to text and stuff. So I would say this: you guys, every single day we're gonna be turning up like at 3 my time, which is maybe from 1 to 2 or 3, whatever my time. Anytime I'd like to have conversations with you guys. So it's not bad. I'm just gonna go right now and finish the project, send it to the teacher so that I can be free because I don't want to have any problems with the unit. You feel me? So I'd say this: I've had a good time, man. Especially my brother Payman. I just feel good every time you turn up because I get like, okay, you're the only African with me and here, my boy. Yeah, yeah, man. But I'm happy, man. I just want you like, I pray you get a job, right? Because but there's nothing then worse than just like seeing yourself like depleting your savings and you don't have nothing to rely on. Coding career. Mm. Damn, man, that's crazy, bro. I wish we were monetized, man. Would throw you some small. You feel me? Yeah. Uh huh. Mhm. Mm. Mhm. Mhm. Mm. Mhm. Yeah. Yeah. Facts. Mhm. Very true. It can only get you far. Yeah, that's true. That's true. That's true. It's not bad. It's not bad, man. I just wish everything turns out good, But it will. It will. Just keep your head up. Uh, s- somebody's called Do me. What's up, man? What's good, bro? Yo, man, Deep, what are you doing? You sharing your screen, huh? What are you doing? I can barely see your face. What are you showing us, bro? What are you showing us, bro? You shy as fuck. All right, it's not a big deal, right? Because let me see. Oh, you got a dog. That's dope, bro. That's too good, man. You got a dog, bro. You're living like a white man, bro. How the hell you keeping a dog in your room, dog? 'Cause those, like, bro, my mom can literally kick you out of the house for bringing a dog to the room, dog. My mom doesn't care whether that's an exotic dog or shit. She's gonna throw the dog the hell out. Yeah. I mean, sometimes I be looking at white people, I just be laughing. I'm not racist though, but I just be laughing at their lifestyle. Like there's a sport called golf, bro. Like that's the goofiest sport I've ever seen. Like why would people play golf, dog? I can't be sweating playing that shit. It looks so boring, man. Is it good, bro? Yeah, yeah. We literally have a golf court just like I think 1 hour drive from here. Not even hour drive. I think we just like I think it's like 30 minutes drive away from me. I always pass near it from me, so it's not a big deal, man. We're gonna have to like end the chat here for today, conversation wise, but we can continue on YouTube, alright, man. Thank you guys for turning up, bro. Means the world to me, man. I'm gonna stop this stream. I'm gonna do this a second. Okay. Mm-mm. All right, my boy. So, bro, we've had a very, very dope time. I'd say this, bro. We've had the best time now. But for some reason, bro, my screen has frozen. I think it has been frozen for some time. Um, yeah, for some reason, bro, there's some orientation issues that I need to fix. Just give me a second. So I need to put these scaling. Um, I think it's this one, right? The webcam. It should just be transform, fit the screen. I don't know, bro. Like OBS has started tripping these days, and then we just gotta mute this, right? I'm gonna close this off and start a new. Um, hold on, just give me a second, my boys. Mac OS screen capture. Okay, so we're just gonna click OK, and I'm gonna say OK. I think because we have a lot of things installed, right? We have a lot of things installed. So yeah, my ears are literally getting heated, bro. These headphones are just like so. Hold on, just give me a second. I just gotta turn off these for a second. All right, let me hope now my screen works, right, bro? When are you gonna meet me again, my boy? Oh yeah, we're gonna meet, bro. Don't worry. Every single day we're gonna have the conversations, regular conversations on the call, bro. So you guys shouldn't worry. All right. Every single day. That's it. Once we get a job though, we might reduce on that shit. You feel me? We might reduce on stream, but I'm still gonna be posting videos to show you guys my day to day. You feel me? Yeah. Well, I just want to take a second to say thank you guys, man. Let's sometimes, I was told to have gratitude, right? My mom raised me right. So I gotta appreciate every single one of you guys, bro. Like every day I take time out of your day to turn up for me. I don't know how I can appreciate like you guys enough, bro. But I'll say this. Thank you so much, my brothers. Y'all are the MVPs, bro. Yeah, the goal is near for sure. The goal is near. You can see it. We almost hitting it. Like I think it's like 65. Yeah, 65 from here. And I don't know, bro. I just don't know what to say. That's why I'm speechless. Sometimes I'm not good at expressing emotions, but I'm just emotional, man. I love you guys for sure, bro. I don't know, bro, because this is like I have channels that have gone beyond 500, right? But it's just like, bro, there's something about this channel because we just started the channel and we just going crazy. It's just something about it, bro. So let me see. I think this is more of a story thing. Consistency, bro. You'll be shocked how far you'll go. For real. But just look at my stuff, bro. Go back to like the first video, like day one. You'll notice like the enthusiasm hasn't changed at all. We still kept the same attitude, the same energy, pressure, and we're just going crazy. I feel like consistency really can take you like anywhere you want without even you knowing. Because, like, if you would ask me from the first time I started, I wouldn't believe that at some point I'd have people that literally want just like every single day they look up to like, all right, we're gonna have this guy on live. Even if it's not like something in mind, but once you guys come across my videos, y'all always stand up. So that's something I don't know. I just can't thank you guys enough, bro. Somebody said, now I changed my name. Yo, what up? Do you know I was the Doomy guy in Discord? Okay, sorry. You're the Doomy guy. I didn't know. I didn't know. And that's why, like, bro, I can tell you guys for real, like I'm not being racist or anything or just like favoring my people, but you can see how this the Ape dude, whenever he comes, I always make sure like his name doesn't slip away from my brain because that's the name that's familiar to me, although I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's one of me, you get it. I don't know if you guys get it right, bro. So it's hard to understand, I mean, to remember you guys like that, but at least my people I can. So yeah, you gotta be a little, you gotta have a little bit of nepotism, right? uh, oh, somebody's called Player 11. Are you contesting in fucking doing this? How do I call it? Squid Game, bro. How many of you guys watch Squid Game 3 and were not emotional, bro? Like I don't know. For me, I watch movies and I tend to get it just gets to me like that for sure. Yo, what up, man? Oh, okay. I think I answered that. Hmm. Yeah, man. I watched Squid Game and I was just so annoyed after that, man. I was just so annoyed after that. So I think we can just correct this. So the name is gonna be this, version is that. Um, I think we have that already in place. So we're just gonna have to do this. I'm just gonna copy these dependencies. My friends put spoilers on Insta stories. Yeah, for real, man. I don't like those kind of friends, bro. Like, don't make the movie boring. There's a point. There's a reason why the fucking companies want you guys to watch the movies without spoilers, because otherwise they would just like, you feel me? You guys shouldn't ruin the movie, man. I don't like people who do that. Yeah, and that's why I don't really go on TikTok and look up something before I watch it. I'll make sure I watch it first before I can go on TikTok. And I barely spend time on TikTok, bro. I don't know if you guys notice. I don't be on TikTok or any of it's only YouTube. That's my biggest thing. I love YouTube, so not participating in what college, my friends. Oh, you're not participating. What is that? You writing stuff in Hindi, bro. I cannot relate, man. I don't know. I'm sorry, bro. Okay, so we gotta set up the database like this. Set up the Firestore database. Go to Firebase console. All right, let's go to Firebase. So it's I think console. Go to console because I want to create this with you guys on live. Crazy consistency. Anuj Prakash digs it. Yeah, man. Crazy. I'm telling you. Get started. This is High Prog. Welcome to this. Okay. Enter your project name. So the project name I think it's called Share Recipe. I think it's just gonna be that version. Okay, we're just gonna say that. AI. What's going on here? AI assistance for your file. Okay, no problem. I don't know what's going on, but I'm just gonna keep going. On a location, I'm not really in US, but I'm just gonna assume I'm in US because somebody told me somebody spoiled the stuff for me. They said if you use any other location like apart from US, is literally going to you're not gonna get like most of the stuff like storage and all that. So let's see. Anyways, good night, my boy Filthy. Yeah, 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 yeah. Have a good one. Have a good one, my boy. Don't worry, man. I'm actually just gonna finish this on live right now and then call it a day, man. I think even other than doing it on live, I can just call it a day. I don't know. I don't know. What do you guys think? I could just do it with you guys on live, or I could do it on my own. Cause I feel like I've kept you guys long enough. It's now 2 hours and 34 minutes, which is long enough for today's stream. But I don't know if you guys want to see me do this on live, although I'm not gonna really do it physically. But let's just see how it's gonna go. Get started by adding Firebase to your app. All right, so add an app to get started. So I think we should do iOS, right? Because I'm using Mac, so I don't want to stress with my with Android and stuff. So let's go with iOS. Company dot name. I'm just gonna say .com dot dot. I mean, I'm gonna have com dot. How is it? Why is it even reversed? Com dot share share receipt. I don't know. I think it should just be like that. Mm, I think that should be it. App nickname. What should the nickname be? I think share receipt, right? Alright, that should be it. Then the store ID. I don't really need this. Register the app. Okay. Alright. So what I'm gonna do now? I'm just gonna close these. I'm gonna turn off the stream now because I'm done now streaming. See you guys tomorrow. Let me just set up this stuff off stream, my boys. That's gonna be it, man. I think these 2 hours and 30 minutes should be enough for today. After exams, we're gonna be streaming non-stop doing DSA, bro. Every single day. So that's gonna be it for today's stream, bro. I'm gonna close the stream in 1, 2, 3. Alright, later, my boy. See you, man. I'm gonna close down the stream now. So much love, man. See you guys.